Okay, guys, there seems to be a little bit of confusion about smart music. What I want you to do with smart music is use it as a tool to practice. Um, you're supposed to follow the instructions and create an account. So let's create a username account. Create an account. What country do we live in? I am at least 13 years old. I wonder if it'll let me make a different account with my different email. It doesn't matter really what email you use because I can confirm it. Might want to make it something you can remember. As a student, what was my primary instrument? Let's pick trumpet. Okay. Email activation sent. So I'm going to go to my email and it'll tell me, welcome to Smart Music. Confirm your email. Okay. Log in. Okay. Then I'm supposed to enter a class code. We're going to do honor band. So join a class. Class code is right here. Find your class. Okay, so there are assignments. There's ruckus, so I can pick an instrument. Let's pick trumpet like we did before. Ooh, first part, which I cannot play. It opens it up for you. And you can play it. And you can turn the metronome down. Go slow. Let's try it this way. Zoom. Let's go slow. I think this is so cool. Okay. Yeah, look, it slowed it down. It sounds bad that way. Okay, let's try to, Atticus, get out of the way. Okay, let's try to join 6th grade so we can see how easy good this will be for 6th grade. Let's go to courses. 6th grade, Atticus. That's my cat, sorry. I think I put it in old assignments. I can put it back to new assignments. Okay, let's go back to smart music. Shut up, Atticus. Can I join another class? Let's go home. Maybe? Join a class. Okay, we're gonna join 6th grade now. Here we go. Paste, find your class. Please find my class. Join this class. Okay. Look, I've got your little assignments here. Press start. Let's do clarinet this time. If I can find it, there it is. Okay, click on clarinet. Okay, and then we can practice with it. Didn't realize it was a country song, but that's okay. I think you can, look, you can turn the accompaniment down right there. There it is. Oh, there it is. Wait, no, go back. Okay. No, go back over here. you can practice with the Smart Music app. Okay, I will add all of your essential element stuff on here. I'll add any concert music I'm thinking about doing for honor band or concert band. Please utilize this app. We get it free because of the coronavirus. So, because we can't have real band class, you can at least use this app to practice. You do not have to turn anything in on this app. Everything needs to be turned in on Schoology. I will see you ASAP.